So, there are reports from some of your colleagues that your methods are questionable. What do you have to say about this?
I get results, and my patients are safe and happy. To be honest, that's the most important thing.
So it doesn't bother you what they say, does it?
No, it doesn't. Look, I've done a lot for my profession. What have they done?
Okay, and the rumors about your license being revoked?
Like... Come in.
He's here?
Okay. Send him in. And Sonia, take a 2-hour break.
Thanks. And your voice sounds really nice on radio too.
Like you said, rumors.
Okay. Well, look, thanks for your time, Dr. Seller.
My pleasure, Ross.
Okay, Mr. Cain, how can I help you?
I think I'm possessed, Doctor. For years, I've tried to convince myself otherwise, but I need your help.
You need me to convince you that you are not? Okay. Why do you say you're possessed?
Because he makes me do things. Things I don't remember. Things I don't want to remember.
Who's he?
My late twin, Sammy.
Okay. So what have you seen that's made you so convinced?
Everything. Anything you can think of.
Killed anyone?
Yeah.
Really?
I didn't do it. He did.
Okay, give me an instance.
Well, it was this one night. I was out clubbing with a few mates. We left around 2 a.m. And this chap showed up with his mates saying one of my mates disrespected him by flirting with his girl. Anyway, it gets ugly. Really ugly.
A fight broke out.
Yeah. Then I blacked out.
Were you knocked out, or...?
No. I just blacked out.
Please, go on.
But when I regained consciousness, I saw one of my mates lying in a pool of blood, and it wasn't his. These 2 chaps just lying there, blood gushing out their throats.
Who was responsible for this?
Sammy.
What makes you think he did it?
Because he was there. I saw him there.
You saw Sammy there?
Yes. He was standing right there, just smiling, right next to the bodies.
And nobody reported this?
Sammy makes sure I never serve time. He has his ways. He is real, Doc.
Okay, Mr. Cain, what you're telling me is quite... extreme. But I'm here to help. I just need to get a good idea of what's going on. Okay, tell me more about Sammy and how all this got started. You killed Sammy?
Yeah. I quit raping our stepmom, Sally. He hated Dad so much for leaving Mum. Well, Sally was just a slut. She slept with Uncle Tay, Sammy's gang mate. went raving mad when he found out. I mean, I tried to stop him. He pulled a knife on me. He said that if I stepped an inch closer, he'd stab me.
How did he die?
I shot him. He took a gun from his room. I shot him. I didn't mean to.
I'm sure you didn't.
I'm sorry about this.
It's okay.
Yeah, he said to me, "You put a bullet in me now, little bro. You're all manned up. Now you'll be as fucked up as me, I promise you."